I will miss you, Tommy.
Oh, paalam ka na, Pau. Paalam ka na, Pau. Oh.
Tutong camera ka na.
To con all of you. and also you will be the tour guide. Okay, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Tommy are tourist and I can ask some question like I can buy something with cheap, right? Right? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, my family. And okay, thank you so much.
I will miss you, Tommy.
Final message.
I'll be crying.
What's your
Me
message?
too, huh? Yes, you know, actually, I have a lot of group in this time. But when my operator, she says, you have the group from meet. Okay, so I have to cancel another tour to take care. Yeah, I know because, you know, another group we go with meet over here. Very cute, very nice, everything. Right? The last group that had been here during June or July, I think so. Also around 12, 13, right? Yes. You know, the Vietnamese, we really like the Filipino. It's not only Tommy. Every city over here, from the north to the south. If you don't trust, you can ask the local people over here. What kind of tourists you like? I said Philippines. Yes, make sure that that's because you know why. Da Nang City and Philippines is same. Why same? Because we have a lot of typhoon will come here, right? And so that's why when typhoon come here, have many problem, and we can understood with the Filipino. And so that's why it's not only Da Nang, Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City also. They really welcome you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and so that's the reason I want to thank you so much, my family.
Yeah.
Mabuhay, Tommy.
Mabuhay. Salamat, ha? Salamat. Yes. Also, when you do you have my Facebook? Not yet, right? Okay, wait.
Ano naman?
Pau, Facebook daw, Pau.
Grabe, ang galing ni Tommy, nice technique.
Grabe. Kunyari lahat, isa lang naman i-accept niyan. Isa lang i-accept niyan. Ay, ang haba ng hair, oh.
Basta lang.
Kuya code here. This in my Facebook. The Kuya code, ha?
Ang galing.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Calling
Kuya code.
card.
You just scan it, and you can look the avatar is Pogi one is me.
Pogi one. Pogi one.
Okay, ha? The Kuya code you just scan about us. And if you miss Tommy, you just come direct to me. You just come direct to me. Also in
Message mo
Yeah.
daw.
Also, when you come back Vietnam again, you just contact with Mitch. She's gonna give for you the nice cost. Okay,
Yung
huh?
relationship.
Still negotiable.
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 Tommy.
Huh?
What's your message to Pao about the love story?
message to
No, just a relationship, but didn't get in, right? Didn't marry. Yeah, I think in the future. Yeah,
Sabi ko sa'yo, negotiable pa eh.
maybe I want to stay at the Philippines more than Vietnamese. Huh? Why not? Right? Why not?
Tommy, brother-in-law. Your brother-in-law.
I know. And I can get the.
The house.
How are you, Lolo?
Tita Enna. Mama. I think next time I will go to the Philippines. Mama.
Papa, bye.
Bye bye. Kuya anak.
You're a matubang now.
And I think next time when I go to Philippines, I can get a house from him, right? Yeah. Why not?
In the
Yes.
lighthouse.
You're gonna stay in our lighthouse.
He thinking.
He's stressed.
He's straight. Because Tommy. Okay. So I'm gonna follow you. I love all of yours in your channel.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah.
Watch our vlog.
Me?
Watch our vlog.
The vlog. Yeah, the vlog. I watched some video already. Like Mike Baba. Yeah, so I watch. I look in the Tommy talk something that was he record everything. Yeah. And so I'm gonna follow you. Okay lah, huh?
Okay lang.
Okay, thank you so much. Also, I gonna show with my friend. Recommend from my friend.
Oh.
About the Philippine life in the Filipino life. Huh? Okay lah. Okay, thank you so much.
Come on.
Okay, salamat. And from here to the airport, just only 2 minutes only. And at this time, for you double check everything on the bus. I saw some jacket over here. This belong to you? Okay, huh? Double check.
Paano yung mga damit niyo? Mga damit nilang bili sa
Alright, ayan guys. Palakpakan natin ulit si Tommy. Let's give a clap for Tommy. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you so much sa inyong Kalingap team. Ayan, so nag-subscribe na ako isa-isa sa inyo. Ayan, okay. Hindi ko alam na meron palang ganitong klaseng team na meron sa diet kasi taga Bicol din po yung aking parents. Yan, si Kokot lang kami.
Lapit lang.
Malapit lang. And every summer nandun kami sa Bicol kasi lagi kami sa Calagwas, Karamuan din. Yeah, we can drop by
Yes.
sa inyong area. Yan, para masilip kayo doon, yan, mabisita namin kayo doon. Yan, so, I just want to appreciate din yung inyong team kasi nakita ko yung nanood actually ng vlog kaninang madaling araw. Pinanood ko yung mga vlogs nyo, guys. I would like to request a clap coming from your own self kasi grabe, ang galing. Tito Val, and Sir Rob, ayan, and each of you guys. Sobrang ganda ng mga help na tinutulong nyo sa Philippines. And, ibi-bless talaga kayo ni Lord.
Amen. Amen.
So, yun.
Bakit ko tinutulungan ni Raboy?
Nagtutulungan na po ang mag-agum, oh. Busy-busy na po yung dalawa. Magkikilo tayo dito, guys. Magkikilo tayo. Yeah. Mahal, 20.7. 20.7. Ano, malipat pa tayo? Pwede ba yan? Image, okay lang ba yun? 20.7. Okay lang yan? Okay lang daw guys yung 20.7.
Yung bag.
O nga pala. Op, 6.8. Pasado. Pasado siya. About this one. Op, 6.6. Pasado din.
Ito yung ano.
Guys, oh, impake na po ang lahat. Busy-busy po ang lahat. Grabe, masaya-masaya po ang mag-agum, guys. Happy-happy po sila. Naka-travel na naman ulit sila, guys.
Ano boss, okay?
15.6 lang.
Bro, marami doon kape yan, Highlands.
Highlands ang marami.
Highlands. Kahit
Kesa
saan,
sa Starbucks, kesa sa...
kahit saan Highlands nakikita ko.
Kahit sa Parkside, sa...
Ito, palagi namin nakikita yan, Highlands na yan.
Siguro yan ang sikat dito.
Bro! Kay David.
Iyata kaya.
Pili kang maleta? Okay, sino pa ba?
Sakit ka na rin?
Punong-puno na. Dapat nilagay na to.
Tanggalin mo sa box, bro. Okay. Okay. Okay lah. Okay lah.
Asa na si Jensen? Okay lang tanggalin ko sa
Malungkot si Pao, guys. Malungkot.
Hindi sapat na kapit.
Malungkot. Hinahanap na naman si Tommy. Wala na, nakalis na si Tommy. Nakalis na si Tommy. Malungkot si, guys, si Pao.
Ilang kilo lang yung silver? Lahat? 7?
Ayan, si Kalingap Ian ay talagang ginagamitan na ng ano. Ginagamitan na ng persa. Ginagamitan ng dahas.
Yung po ang babawasan yung green. Lilipat na sa orange, saka doon sa... May mahulog yan. Hawakan mo siya.
Bro, tulungan kita, bro. Sige, bro. I-press natin yan.
Tama ba?
Yan po. Nag-lock ba? Ayan, malungkot na po si Pao. Pao, paalam ka na, Pao. Paalam ka na, Pao. Oh.
Nutang camera ka na.
Nakuha ko yun.
May ano, may spark.
May spark talaga, may kuryente.
It's like chemistry.
Electricity.
Yeah.
The electricity.
Yeah. Really? Yeah.
You felt?
Kaya ba nagsabi oh, pwede lang
Incredible daw nagsabi. Pagbalik. Ang part 2 niyan, pagbalik ng Vietnam.
Ang tanong yan, kung kailan?
Kung kailan. Hanoi naman sunod. Ayan, bakas po sa mga mukha ni Pao ang lungkot na nararamdaman niya.
Bye, Rabay!
Lauday.
Video nga din ako. Nakita ko sa inyo.
Wag na. Ayan, no? Grabe po. Dami naming pinamili, guys, kasi medyo mura dito, no? Mura dito. Kaya maraming napamili. Kaya hirap na hirap po mag-ayos ng gamit. 7:30 na na Vietnamese time. Kaya ang hindi ka konti lang kasi yata sa kanila talagang tao. Hindi dumadami kaya ayan. Raboy. Bagay.
Hindi nahanap ang Facebook.
Nakuha mo, Pao, yung
Ano naman siya?
Nakuha mo, Pao? Nakuha mo yung Facebook?
Ayun.
Di ba binigyan ka ng card?
Hindi ko pa na-scan.
Scan mo na,
Lalagay ko na lang sa ipipin ko yun sa wall ko.
Memories in Danang.
Pero isang tao lang
Babalik-balikan kita, Danang.
So, parang story, pero 3 days lang nag-last. 3 days lang.
Buti nga naghabol ka eh. Kasi kung hindi, di kayo nagkakilala eh.
Isa-isa na, no? Minamahala sa'yo.
Ayan po, paalis na po si... Paalis na siya. Pero pinipigilan pa po siya nila Lolo. Eh.
Na-prank si Kuya Bal. Bakit? Tinago ni Kuya Bal yung cellphone ni Lolo.
Now we can take a look at the Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, may na dito.